Hi dears! Last class we have learned some special keys on the keyboard. They are backspace key, delete key, enter key, shift key, caps lock key, etc. Today we can discuss some keys used for cursor movements. They are home key, end key, page up, page down and 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Children, last class we have learned some special keys. Today we can discuss some cursor control keys. Look here children, here you can see some keys. This top arrow, right arrow, down arrow, left arrow, then page up, page down, then home key and end key. We can look one by one. First one, home key. Home key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. Using this home key, we can move the cursor to the beginning of a line. Next key, end key. End key is used to move the cursor to the end of a line. Using this key, we can move the cursor to the end of a line. Here you can position the cursor to the end of the line. Next key, tab key. Tab key is used to make a big space between words. Look here children, if you want to make big space between these two words, place the cursor here, then press tab key on the keyboard. Press tab key, then you can insert big space between words. Next key, page down key. Page down key is used to move the cursor to the end of a page by pages. Using this, you can move the cursor to the end of a page by pages. Next one, arrow keys. Up arrow key. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor upward. If the cursor is here, when I press up arrow, the cursor move up like this. Next key, right arrow key. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor towards right. When I press right arrow key, the cursor move right. Left arrow key. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor towards left. It is used to move the cursor towards left. When I place the cursor here and press left key, left arrow key, then the cursor move left like this. Then down arrow key. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor downward. Place the cursor here and press down arrow key, the cursor move downward like this. These are the different cursor control keys on the keyboard. We have studied that tab key is used to move the cursor to a big space. For inserting big space between words, you can press the tab key. Suppose I am going to place the cursor here. If you want to insert a big space, you just press tab key. Then you can see this way. Yes, this way. If you want to make a big space in last sentence, place the cursor here, then press tab key. These are the special keys on the keyboard. Okay. Children, I hope all understood today's topic. Thank you. Bye bye.